zip it tight. Pack it up, zip it tight. Backpack song here tonight, today. Wake, wake up, sleepyhead. Sun says morning, up from bed. 1, 2, 3. Look at me, as neat as can be. Hello, hello, my backpack friend. Adventures start, they never end. Crayons in, and lunchbox too. Books and snacks, I'm ready, are you? Backpack on, I'm out the door. Wait for me, let's make it 4 friends today, hooray, hooray! Pack, pack, pack your backpack, hop upon the bus. Off we go, the days a-glowing, nothing's gonna stop from us. Bumpy road and window breeze, wave hello to birds and trees. Here we are, the gates are bright. Here we, school's a garden of delight. School's a garden of delight. Pack, pack, pack your backpack. Hop, 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 we're here at last. Friends and fun and letters glowing. Best day ever, holding fast. It up, right on my hook. Now it's time to read a book. Hang it up, right on my hook. Backpack, pack your backpack. Every day's a brand new song. Zip it, snap it, off we scamper. Backpack friends all day long. Wear your backpack, wear your backpack. Backpack pack, let's go! See you next time, bye-bye friends!